Hi everyone, welcome Madhu Tech Trainer YouTube channel. In this video, I will explain how to register an employee in ESI portal. Type ESI employer login in Google search bar. Click on ESIC website. Click on employer login button. Click on OK button. Here enter ESI login username and password and CAPTCHA. Then click on login button. Click on close button. Again click on close button. Click on I agree button. Here click on register new employee button. In this case, I will explain register new employee without Aadhaar number. So select No option, then click on continue button. Here employee don't have any previous ESI number, so select No option. Then click on OK button. Here enter employee's mobile number. Then click Validate Mobile Number button. Then click on Continue button. Then click on OK button. Here a new screen will be opened. Here enter name as per Aadhaar card. Here enter father's name or husband's name. He employee is married woman, so entering husband name. Click browse button and upload employee photo. It should be JPG format and it should be between 50 to 100 kilobits size. Then click on upload button. Here enter employee's date of birth as per Aadhaar card. Here select marital status and gender. Here enter address as per Aadhaar card. Here select this box if present address and permanent address both are same. Here select dispensary location where you want for treatment for self. Here select dispensary location where you want for treatment for family members. Here enter date of joining. Here click on this link and enter nominee details. Here enter nominee name. Here select nominee's relationship with employee. Here enter nominee's address. If nominee is a family member, then select Yes option. Then finally click on Save button. See here data saved successfully. Serial number 13, enter family members details. We need family members photos to save family members data. This not mandatory field. So I am not entering now, we can enter later also. Then click on this link to enter bank details. Here enter IFSC code of your bank. Then click on search button. Then here enter bank account number. Then select type of bank account. Click on Browse button and select Bank Passbook. It should be JPG format, and its file should be below 200 kilobits. Click on Upload button. Then click on Submit button to save this data. See here details are saved successfully, then click on Close button. Serial number 15. Select preferred language for send SMS from ESI. Finally tick this box and click on Submit button. After click on Submit button, ESI e-Pehchan card generated successfully. You can download or you can take print this e-Pehchan card. Paste your family group photo. Employee and employer both have to sign on this card. To link your ESI number with EPF UAN number, click on Employee UAN Seeding button. Here enter your ESI number. Here enter your EPF UAN number. Then click on Submit button. To download e-Pehchan card, again click on e-Pehchan button and download anytime. I hope you likes this video. If you likes this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. All the best. Have a nice day. Bye.